Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this, let's say, blouse stitch. You can do a bag, you can do so many things, even a table runner if you like. I'm gonna use 4.0mm crochet hook. This stitch works with multiples of 4 plus 3 more chains, and after you chain multiples of 4 and 3 more chains, you're gonna skip the first chain, and into the second chain from the hook we're gonna do a single crochet, and then in all chains single crochet. And after you finish the first row of single crochet in each chain, we're gonna chain one, turn your work, and into the first stitch single crochet, next stitch single crochet, we're gonna chain 2, we're gonna skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the third stitch we're gonna do a single crochet, next stitch single crochet, chain 2, and we're gonna do like this until we finish this row. We're gonna skip the next 2 stitches, and into the next 2 stitches we're gonna do single crochet in each. So skip the next 2 stitches, and into the third single crochet, next stitch single crochet, chain 2, skip the next 2 stitches, and into the third single crochet, next stitch single crochet, chain 2, we're gonna skip the next 2 stitches, and we are left with 2 stitches, in which we're gonna do single crochet, and the last stitch single crochet also. So this is gonna be one of the rows that we're gonna do single crochet in 2 stitches, chain 2, and so on. Now we're gonna chain 2. This is the other row that we're gonna repeat. This stitch has only 2 rows repeat. So into the next stitch, yarn over the hook, we're gonna do a double crochet. We're gonna chain 2, and we're gonna skip this 2 chain, and we're gonna go to the 2 stitches. So these are the single crochet from the previous row. So into the first stitch we're gonna do a half, let's say a double crochet without finishing. Yarn over the hook, go back again into the same stitch and do the next. So we're gonna do 2 together, 2 double crochet together. So we have 3 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 3 loops, yarn over the hook, we're gonna move to the next stitch, and we're gonna do the same. So 2 double crochet together without finishing. So 1, go back again into the same stitch and do the second one, 3 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all those 3 loops, chain 2, we're gonna skip this 2 chain, and we're gonna go to the 2 stitches. So in each stitch we're gonna do 2 double crochet together, I'm gonna move to the next stitch, and we're gonna do the same. So 1, and the second, 3 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all these 3 loops, chain 2, again we're gonna skip this 2 chain, and we're gonna move to the 2 stitches, and we're gonna repeat. Go back again into that same stitch and do the second, and now we're gonna move to the next stitch, and we're gonna do 2 double crochet together, chain 2, and again we're gonna skip this 2 chain, and we have the last 2 stitches at the end, in which we're gonna repeat. But this time we're not gonna do 2 together, we're gonna do just 1 double crochet in each stitch. So the last stitch double crochet. Okay, now we're gonna chain 1, and now we're gonna repeat the row with a single crochet, chain 2. So the first stitch is here, I'm gonna do a single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, chain 2. We're gonna move to the set of 2 double crochet together, and in each stitch we're gonna put a single crochet. Move to the next, single crochet, chain 2, and we're gonna move to the next, and in each stitch we're gonna put a single crochet, move to the next stitch, chain 2. This stitch looks very nice if you are to use for a blouse or a curtain, but with a thin yarn. I'm choosing now to work with a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, and you will see the difference. You'll realize from the thumbnail and this one. The thumbnail I used 2.0 millimeter crochet hook, so it's quite thin, the yarn. So now we have the double crochet and the chain 2. So we're gonna go to the double crochet through the stitch, single crochet, and the second, we have the second chain here on top. We're gonna do a single crochet also on that second chain. We're gonna chain 2, and now we're gonna repeat the row with 2 double crochet together, well, in the middle of the work, but the end and the beginning will be a double crochet in each stitch. Well, we have the chain 2, we're gonna move to the next stitch, and we're gonna do a double crochet. Now chain 2, we're gonna skip the chain 2 here, and we're gonna go to these 2 stitches, which are the single crochet from the previous row. So into the first stitch we're gonna do 2 double crochet together. I'm gonna move to the next stitch. Well, with a thick yarn it starts to lose the look. I like with a thinner yarn. Chain 2, this stitch for a bag, for example, if you go to the beach and you want, you know, like a dress, I think it's nice to work with this stitch to do a cover up. And into the next stitch, 2 double crochet together, and then we're gonna chain 2, and we're gonna continue. It's a very easy stitch, goes really fast, and it's not gonna eat so much yarn. But I think with a thinner yarn, even for a baby blanket, a summer baby blanket, I think it's nice. Chain 2, and we have the last 2 stitches at the end. We're gonna skip these 2 chain, and we're gonna go into the first stitch there, and we're gonna do a double crochet, and into the last stitch a double crochet. Then you're gonna chain 1, you're gonna turn your work, and you're gonna do the row with a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, and so on. So it's gonna look like this. So this is the front of the work, and this is the back. It's not the same, the look, but I think for a blanket, summer blanket, for a wrap for spring or summer, I think it's quite nice. But I like this more for a blouse or a bag, if you're inclined to do so. Well, I hope you like this stitch. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.